Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a backup on OPPO Reno8 Z. Okay, so to create a backup we need to open up the settings. We need to scroll down until we find the additional settings. Scroll again and click on backup and reset. And let's create a Google backup because it's the best option. Now, under the account storage, we have our Google account that we are currently logged into. We need to remember the password to this account because if we want to restore our backup in the future, we will need to be logged into the same Google account on which we made it. So that's the account. Also, if you don't know how to restore the Google backup, on our channel there's a video where I'm showing you how to do it step by step. So if you want to, you can look for it. Also, make sure that Backup by Google One is enabled. And below we can see the backup details. Here's the list of things that will be backed. Now, hit backup now. And now, within a few seconds, a thin bar should appear under the backup word. Okay, here it is, and it's starting slowly to fulfill. Basically, when it disappears, it means that our backup has been successfully made. As a confirmation, we'll also see a notification on the bottom of the screen that our data has been backed, and also we will see it under the Backup by Google One sentence. So I'll see you once the backup is done. Okay, the data has been successfully backed. In here we can also see a confirmation how long ago it was, and I should take a look and compare the hours. It was like 2 seconds ago. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.